Meaning of faquir.
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 Faquir. Faquir is derived from the Arabic word faquir, which means poor or needy. It refers to a Muslim ascetic who renounces worldly pleasures and possessions in order to focus on spiritual pursuits. Faquirs often live a simple and austere lifestyle, devoting themselves to meditation, prayer, and other forms of worship. They are highly respected in many Islamic cultures for their piety and dedication to religious ideals. Overall, a faquir is someone who embodies the values of humility, self-discipline, and devotion to God.